What makes SmartSpace the next generation of innovative workspace solutions? SmartSpace offers the benefits of office trailers, affordability, speed, and convenience, plus added scalability and customization. Designed for small, compact, and covered areas, it's perfect for cramped downtown construction projects and sites with tight access restrictions. The unique building block design allows units to be attached end-to-end, side-by-side, and stacked 3 high, minimizing the footprint while maximizing workspace. Save time and money with our comprehensive selection of add-on products, including entryway steps, canopies, accessible ramps, partition walls, larger windows, outdoor sun decks, and practical furnishing packages for offices, conference rooms, break areas, and kitchens. Ensure your team is ready to start work on day one with SmartSpace. For innovative modular solutions that create comfortable, convenient, and practical workspaces, look inside the box. Visit boxxmodular.ca to learn more and contact a local sales rep to discover the perfect SmartSpace configuration for your next project.